In this video, we compare smart robotic vacuum cleaner and powerful robot vacuum cleaner. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The ROPVACNIC Smart Robotic Vacuum Cleaner is an intelligent device equipped with a high-powered 3000 PBA Cyclone Cleaning System, ensuring a 30% increase in cleaning efficiency across various surfaces, including hardwood floors and low-pile carpets. Its smart technology allows for easy control through an app or voice commands, offering a hands-free cleaning experience, and is compatible with Alexa or Google Assistant. With a slim design of only 2.99 inches in height, this robotic vacuum can easily access hard-to-reach areas under furniture, while its dual rotating brushes effectively sweep and collect dust and hair from overlooked corners. Designed with pet owners in mind, this vacuum features a no-entanglement design and a 600 megaliter larger dust box to efficiently collect pet hair, eliminating the need for manual cleanup. The device offers scheduled cleaning and self-recharging, starting and completing its cleaning tasks independently, providing you with a clean home upon your return. The vacuum comes with 6 cleaning modes that can be customized through the ROPVACNIC Smart app, ensuring a comprehensive and intelligent cleaning experience tailored to your needs. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner boasts an impressive 2,200 PA suction power, making it an excellent choice for tackling dust, pet hair, and debris on hard floors and low-pile carpets. Its slim design, measuring just 2.99 by 11 inches, allows it to clean under furniture and in corners with ease. The vacuum offers 6 cleaning modes that can be easily switched via the app, providing a versatile cleaning solution for every home. Equipped with 13 pairs of built-in upgraded infrared sensors, this vacuum is capable of detecting its surroundings to avoid obstacles and prevent falls. With a long battery life, the M210 Pro can run up to 120 minutes on a single charge and will automatically return to its charging station when low on power. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner can be conveniently controlled via button, app, Alexa, Google Assistant, or remote, and you can schedule cleanings even when you're not at home. In comparing the ROPVACNIC Smart Robotic Vacuum Cleaner and the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner, both devices offer a range of advanced features tailored to provide a superior cleaning experience. Both vacuums are equipped with slim designs that enable them to access hard-to-reach areas and offer 6 cleaning modes that can be customized to suit various cleaning needs. However, there are notable differences in their cleaning power, with the ROPVACNIC cleaner boasting a 3000 PA Cyclone Cleaning System, while the Lefant cleaner offers a 2200 PA suction power. This may suggest that the ROPVACNIC cleaner could potentially offer a higher cleaning efficiency. In terms of pet-friendly features, both vacuums are designed to efficiently collect pet hair, but the ROPVACNIC cleaner also features a no-entanglement design, which could be a significant advantage for pet owners, reducing the need for manual cleanup. Both devices can be controlled via an app, voice commands, or a remote, and offer scheduled cleaning and self-recharging features. However, the Lefant cleaner appears to have a longer battery life, with the ability to run up to 120 minutes on a single charge. In conclusion, both vacuum cleaners offer a range of impressive features, but the choice between the two may ultimately come down to individual preferences and specific cleaning needs. The ROPVACNIC cleaner may be more suitable for those seeking high cleaning power and pet-friendly features, while the Lefant cleaner may be a better option for those prioritizing battery life.